Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram music not showing all songs. Let's get started. For that, first of all, close Instagram app completely and then reopen it again. After that, log into your account, tap on your profile icon, and then tap on this three line icon. Scroll down and then search for business tool and control. Then tap onto it. Just like that, you need to go and simply tap on switch account type and then tap on switch to personal account and then simply tap onto it one more time. This gives you access to more songs when creating reels or stories. After that, tap on the tree line again and now tap on account center. And now inside here, you need to go and simply tap on sharing across profiles and then select your Instagram account. Just like that, if you're automatically sharing your post or reels to Facebook, turn that off. Make sure all of your sharing option, post stories, and reels are turned off. Now, close the Instagram app completely and then open up your iPhone setting. Just like that inside here, simply tap on General, scroll below, then tap on VPN and Device Management, and if VPN is turned on, tap onto it and then simply turn it off. VPN can cause a reason or copyright issue that hides song. After turning that VPN off, reopen your Instagram and then try adding music to a reel or story again. You should now see all available songs. And that's it. Switch to a personal account, turn off auto sharing, disable your VPN, and you're good to go. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.